Hello, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga messages ni Aries. Una mensahe ni Aries ay journey. Ayan. So, meron kayong ngayon? Travel, no? Aries. And this journey could be linked sa inyong karera. Medyo siguro, merong connection din sa negosyo. Kung merong negosyo, merong ganun, no? Or expansion, no? So, maaring mga ganun ang ganap dito for some of you. We have forbearance. Do not be deterred by the thorn amidst the roses. Ayan. Kahit ano pa man ang mga pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay, Aries, wag na wag kayong bibigay, no? Wag na wag kayong babali, no? Dahil normal naman, unang-una, lagi natin tatandaan na normal sa buhay natin. It's part of life, no? Yung mga challenges, mga obstacles sa buhay natin, parte yan ng ating life's journey. Kaya dapat na lang tayo, masanay na tayo na along our life's journey ay talagang one day, no, magkakaroon talaga ng challenges, magkakaroon ng mga difficult situations na pagdadaanan tayo, because kasama yan, no? Kumbaga kasama yan sa kontrata natin ng pagtahak sa journey natin sa buhay. And importante lang dyan, wag tayong bibigay, wag tayong mag-give up, you know. Dahil wala namang obstacles or challenges sa buhay na binibigay sa atin na hindi naman natin kayang lampasan, hindi ba? Hindi natin kayang i-overcome. Kaya na lang natin, i-embrace na lang natin yan. At when the time comes na may mga ganung sitwasyon, lagi na lang natin iisipin na mag-isip tayo, or yun ang gagawin natin, mag-isip tayo ng kung ano yung magagawa natin para malagpasan natin ang kung ano man ang difficult situations, at never give up. Okay, we have retreat. Ayan, so you may need to embark on a retreat at this time, Aries. Posibleng may mga talaga kayo, may mga mabigat na pinagdadaanan ng iba, may mga problema, and you may need to embark on a retreat so that na magkaroon kayo ng panahon para makapagmuni-muni, magkaroon kayo ng panahon para makapag-isip-isip, makapag-contemplate, and you can think about the things that you need to do on how you're going to overcome problems, how you're going to overcome challenges na nandiyan dyan sa buhay. Okay? So, what else for Aries? We have perseverance. Ayan. So, you may feel like you are getting nowhere, but there are wonderful changes ahead. So, don't give up. Ayan ang keywords, no? Give up. Don't give up. Yun din ang sinasabi dito. Don't give up. Patuloy lang na pagsikapan ninyo kung ano man ang mga sisikapan ninyo sa ngayon, ano man yung mga tatrabahuan ninyo ngayon. You know, there might be challenges talaga dyan. Pero hindi yan ang rason, no? Hindi yan rason para i-give up mo kung ano man ang inyong pinagsisikapan sa ngayon. Lalo na kung meron na kayong yung bang nasa middle na kayo ng inyong endeavor, no? Nagkapagsimula na kayo, nakapag-invest na kayo ng oras, nakapag-invest na kayo dyan ng resources, ng effort. So, ipagpatuloy nyo lang yan. Okay? Kasi pasasaan ba at makakamit nyo din yung tagumpay. There may be changes ahead of you. Kaya, mas dapat maging excited tayo dito, Aries, no? Dahil, lahat naman ng ginagawa natin may patutunguhan, hindi ba? Lahat naman ng mga effort natin ay merong naghihintay na tagumpay. It's just that sometimes naglalakad lang tayo sa hindi straight na daan because there are times that we need to take some detour, hindi ba? Kaya napakahalaga nga na lagi tayong makikinig sa ating intuition so that we are going to be guided accordingly. Kasi sometimes along our journey, hindi pa yan yung hindi natin nakikita kung ano yung ending, kung ano yung outcome, 'di ba? Ng ating mga ginagawa because there are times that we need to take a detour and maybe, 'di ba, sa pagliko ninyo nandun pala sa lilikuan ninyo na daan ang tagumpay, nandun pala naghihintay ang victory ninyo. And in this case, parang ganun nga ang ganap, no? You may not see kung saan kayo papunta, but dahil yun pala ay meron kayong detour na pagdadaanan. At nandun pala, sa pagliko ninyo ng daan, ng tinatahak ninyo, nandun doon pala ang inyong tagumpay. We have health, an excellent time to start an exercise program. Ayan. So maybe ang iba sa inyo dito nag-iisip na mag-self-care, magsimula na ng bagong exercise program or diet. Maaring yun ang pinaplano ng iba sa inyo dito, Aries, so that's really good. Many friendships are on the horizon, so you may meet new people dito and you may develop your relationship with those people in with a new friendship, no? A beautiful and deep friendship could be waiting for you right now. Challenges, take time out from problems or conflicts or approach softly to avoid making matters worse. Ayan. So you may need to step back a little from conflicts o kung ano man ang mga hindi ninyo intindihan with another person or with a group of people. That could be in work situation, that could be in family situation. Kaya, diba, kapag mga mainit ang ulo, kapag nararamdaman ninyong tensyonado, kapag nararamdaman ninyong magulong inyong isipan, wag muna kayong humarap, no? Wag nyo munang harapin yan because mas magiging hindi lang maganda ang inyong sitwasyon, mas lalo lang na mapapasama or mas lalo lang na iinit ang ulo ninyo. Kaya it's better if you're going to take a step back a little from that at magpahinga muna kayo. Kumalma muna kayo. Take a breather, yung ganon. So that when you get back to it, when you are ready, pag bumaba na ang tensyon, humupa na yung galit, if there is galit, then mas magiging maayos na ang lahat. Mas makakapag-isip na kayo ng mas maayos, mas makakapagsalita na kayo ng mas effective na makakatulong na gumanda pa ang inyong or ma-improve pa ang inyong sitwasyon. So good luck, Aries, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste. Hello, Leo, Sun and Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pauna mensahe ni Leo ay achievement. Ayan. So, enjoy the limelight. You've earned it. Although on the family front, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless nights. Ayan. So, you will be in the limelight, Leo. There could be achievement. There could be accomplishments dito na makakamit kayo. There could be some successes dito sa inyong mga endeavor, sa inyong mga ginagawa, trabaho, career, maaring mga ganon ang ganap. And you will be on the spotlight, no? However, maaaring meron din kayong dito, ipinag-worry, no? Secretly. Maaaring meron kayong concern about a family member, no? Maaaring ganun ang ganap dito na meron sigurong sakit or merong iniindang sakit, maaaring ganun ang ganap, no? What else? We have assert yourself. go for what you want. The time is ripe for soulmate connections. And birth of a child also likely. Merong manganganak dito sa inyo, no? If not kayo ito, maaring person ninyo, or maybe someone in the family. Maaring someone close to your heart, siguro, no? Manganganak, parang ganon. Maari din na magkakaroon kayo ng networking ngayon, ano? That could be related to trabaho, that could be related to your business, or this could be related to meeting new friends then, no? Meeting your soulmate around this time. So we have perseverance. Ayan. So you may feel like you are getting nowhere, but there are wonderful changes ahead. So don't give up. Okay? So siguro nararamdaman ninyo na saan kaya ako pupunta? Saan na kaya to? 'Di ba? Where is this thing that I'm doing heading to? Kasi siguro na-exhaust nyo na ang lahat dito, no? Nagawa nyo na yung posible ninyong lahat na kailangan gawin, pero siguro hindi ninyo nakikita kung saan ito papunta, saan ito patungo. Maybe it's not clear, sa inyo kung ano yung kailangan ninyong gawin, kung ano pa yung kailangan ninyong pagtuunan ng pansin, 'di ba? Kasi nga parang walang direksyon siguro. Ang pakiramdam ninyo siguro ang inyong ginagawa ay walang direksyon. But hindi yan rason para mag-give up kayo. Hindi yan rason para isantabi nyo lahat-lahat ng kung ano man ang inyong mga ininvest na dito sa inyong ginagawa. Kasi posibleng meron dito dyan, Leo. Posibleng at some point sa journey ninyo yan ay merong pagbabago, merong new perspective or new ideas that will arise, at sa pag-embrace ninyo ng mga bagong idea na yan, nandoon pala, 'di ba? You never know, nandoon pala yung inyong tagumpay na. Maybe sa pagliko ninyo ay nandoon na naghihintay ang inyong victory. So that could be the case, 'di ba, Leo? Kaya don't give up, okay? There are changes that are ahead of you, kaya continue on to persevere. Continue on with what you are doing and what you are focusing on, because you never know, no? Isang kembot na lang at nandiyan na ang pagbabago at nandiyan na ang inyong tagumpay. Okay? So, what else for Leo? We have clearing. Ayan. So, make room for growth dito. So, for some of you, kailangan nang mag-let go, mag-release ng kahit ano man na hindi na nagsiserve ng inyong best interest. You may need to release anything and everything that doesn't serve your highest good anymore, so that you can make room for growth. You can make room for newness, for new things, for new experiences, and even new people, no? So, tanggalin na kung ano yung sa tingin ninyo stagnant energy na, no? Itanggalin na yan sa buhay ninyo, so that you can make room sa sarili ninyo and you can make room for newness. You have time and embrace in the dewdrops of life before they disappear with the morning sun. Ayan. So there are things dito that you need to take advantage of. There are things that you need to look into at this time. No, Leo, maaaring may mga opportunities dyan na kumakatok na sa buhay ninyo, pero hindi ninyo napagbubuksan, hindi ninyo napapansin, hindi ninyo nakikita. Maybe gano'n ang inyong sitwasyon. Okay? So, you really need to take advantage of that. Reconnect. Ayan. Secrets lurk in the captive shadows deep in the woods. Maybe, ang iba sa inyo dito need to reconnect with yourself, need to reconnect with your higher self, no? Leo, maaring ganun ang ganap dito for some of you. So, Leo, that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. O naman mensahe ni Sag ay major life change. Wow. Time is right for major life changes. as a new lifestyle or location brings great joy and trouble-free existence. Napakagandang pagbabago ito. This is a major transformation that is about to happen sa buhay ninyo, no? So, maaaring pagbabago ito ng lifestyle ninyo, pagbabago ng pagpapatakbo ng buhay ninyo, pag na-navigate ninyo ng pang-araw-araw ninyo na buhay, maaaring may mga babaguhin kayo dyan. There could be relocation. This could be changes in job. This could be a change in your career. This could be a change in your place of residence, no? At kung ano man ito, this is going to bring you great joy, no? This is going to bring you happiness. Maaaring yung mga pagbabagong ito na gagawin ninyo sa buhay is long-term plan nyo na to. Pero ngayon, mangyayari na. Maaring it is going to start to unfold na kung ano man yung mga pinapangarap ninyong pagbabago. So, good luck to that, Sagittarius. We have tough and trying times. Tough times ahead. Think long-term and make decisions accordingly. Avoid negative people at all costs. Ayan. Always make sure na you are surrounded with good people. Always make sure that you are surrounded with positive thinking people and happy people, because with that, yung energy nila, yung bit-bit nilang high frequency din, high vibe, yun din ang didikit sa energy field ninyo. Yun din ang makaka-influensya sa inyo. Kaya i-try ninyo na i-surround ninyo ang sarili ninyo with those kind of people, and avoid as much as possible negative thinking people, because hindi magandang influensya yan, hindi yan magandang vibe, no, na ma-pick up ninyo and dumikit sa inyong energy field. There are going to be tough times ahead of you, This is not going to resonate with everyone, so just take as it resonates, okay? May mga maaaring difficult times na maaaring pagdaanan ng iba sa inyo at some point, kaya kailangan ninyo na pag-isipan mabuti ang inyong mga desisyon, no? Magmuni-muni kayo, mag-contemplate kayo before you decide on something, nang sa gayon, ma-address ninyo ng tama, ma-address ninyo ng mabuti kung ano man ang tough times na yan. And always tune into your intuition. Always make sure that you listen to your intuition before you do something, before you decide on something. Okay, Saj? What else? We have sunshine. The sun is shining on you, career and business growth, fabulous communication in relationships. Napakaganda. Kung ano man ang klaseng relationship na meron kayo ngayon, whether that is a love and romantic relationship, a relationship with your family members, relationship with your friends, parang mas magiging maganda na ngayon ang communication lines ninyo. Mas magiging open na at siguro honest din ang pakikipag-communicate ninyo with those people. Okay? And tsaka, yung sun is going to shine its light, sa inyong karera, sa inyong negosyo. So, napakaganda nito because maaaring may mga tagumpay kayo dito na makamit sa inyong career. May mga, siguro, may mas marami kayong mga clients sa inyong business. Mas magbo-boom siguro ngayon ang inyong business. Kaya, good luck sa inyo, Sagittarius. Okay? So, what else? We have dance. Allow yourself some fun each day, just as the sun dances with the moon each night. Sagittarius, kailangan ninyo na i-incorporate sa schedule ninyo. I-incorporate ninyo sa mga araw-araw ninyong routine, sa ginagawa ninyo. Yung pag-unwind man lang. Yung pag-have fun. Because, kailangan natin ng balance, hindi ba? Not everything should be focused on work. Hindi dapat lahat ay nakatutok lang sa career, sa trabaho, sa negosyo, sa pamilya. You also need some time for yourself. So you really need to incorporate, to have fun and mag-chillin din kayo at the end of the day, or in the middle of the day, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Make time to have fun because you need it. You need time also to unwind. You also need a time to relax. Okay? So we have path. Wander on the path less traveled. What you find might surprise you. This could be something na bago para sa inyo. This could be a path na susubukan ninyong totally uncharted territory ito for you. So good luck to that, Sagittarius. Because that could be a new adventure para sa inyo. So, we have uncertainty. Ayan. So, there could be uncertainties na pinagdadaanan ng iba sa inyo dito. That could be linked dito sa tough and trying times. Kasi sometimes, di ba, nagiging challenge yan para sa atin if we are heading towards something na hindi tayo sanay, hindi yan ang comfort zone natin, kumbaga, hindi yan ang cup of tea natin. Sometimes, para sa ibang tao, ano yan? Challenge yan. Kaya, maaaring may mga uncertainty kayo dito na nai-encounter at this time dahil nga, syempre, tinatahak ninyo ang bagong daan. You are treading towards a path na parang kinakapa nyo pa, no? Yung ganon. So, good luck, Sag. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.